Hello everybody, it is 3:36 and 8 seconds on November 15th. This is finally the main drawing for the Xmen 101 graded 9.6. As I was putting up a final mini, which would have been the 8th mini, I didn't realize that Brody had commented to close the main. So I put the mini up. A few people unfortunately did comment on the mini, but his comments in the main took precedent over me posting that final mini because he made his comments before the mini went up. So he closed it out, took the last group of spots. Gonna get this run right away. Number is 13. Name at the top of the list at the end of the 13th roll will get the slab. It will ship tomorrow, November 16th. I didn't scroll up, so I'm going to do that right now so everybody can see that everybody's names is in there. It's just been a long day, so a couple of brain farts in the way. So away we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here comes the final one. 13, spot 28, John Garner. Congratulations. Time is 3:37 and 42 seconds.